AppValley just signed. Now you're able to download any Tweaked app for free without any jailbreak, without any computer. If you want to know how to download them, stick around the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to your any browser. Like I'm gonna go Safari, it doesn't matter. And after you're on your Safari, you're gonna search up app.appvalley.vip. The link will be in the description. Just click the link and it will directly take you to this page. After you're on this page, you can see now it's signed. Now you can download anything like the Uncover. If I click Gate, click Gate, and I can install, like legit I can install it. And I'm gonna show you one more time, like one more thing to download, like the Spotify Plus Plus. A lot of people want Spotify Premium or Spotify Plus Plus. Okay, I'm just gonna search it up, Spotify Plus Plus. It's right here, and just click Gate, and you are able to download Spotify Plus Plus without any jailbreak, without any computer. You just have to like wait. You can't see Uncover is already downloaded. Let me just search up the Spotify Plus Plus. You can see it's almost done. Let's just wait for it. But I don't know when it's gonna get revoked. You just have to download it right now. I don't know when it's gonna get revoked, or I don't know. You have to do this right now, and you're able to listen any musics without any ad. And you can jailbreak your phone by using the Uncover app. Okay, just wait. Now you can see this done, the Spotify Plus Plus, and I'm just gonna open the Uncover. It's untrusted. If you want to know how to trust it, just go to your settings. You're gonna scroll down one more time, and you're gonna click Profile and Device Management. Click that, and you're gonna click the last one, and you're gonna trust the app. If you didn't do this, the app is not going to work. You have to trust the app and enable to work the app. Just open Uncover. Now you're able to jailbreak your phone for free without any revoked. Like you can do this at home. Like it's so easy. Like if I open now Spotify, let's just wait for it. Okay, now I can sign in for free, and I'm able to get the premium version for free. It works 100%. And this is what I got you for today. If you're new, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.